Product cards can make or break how customers browse your store. They're often the first thing shoppers see, and what drives them to click, explore, and buy. With the Pebble theme, you have full control over how product cards look and behave across your entire store. Welcome to the Pebble tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to customize product cards, from images, badges, to swatches, quick add buttons, and more, so you can create a smoother, more engaging shopping experience. First, open your theme editor. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes. Then click Edit Theme next to your Pebble theme. Next, open Theme Settings. Then locate and select Product Cards. Here you'll find all the options to control how product cards appear throughout your store. Let's start with Media Settings. These options control how product images are displayed inside the product card. First is the aspect ratio. This determines how product images are cropped for consistent display. You can choose from several options, including auto, square, portrait ratios like 4:5 or 3:4, or landscape ratios like 16:9 or 4:3. Choosing the right ratio helps create a consistent product grid. Next is corner radius. Use the slider to control how rounded the image corners are, from sharp corners to fully rounded styles. Finally, you can enable Show Second Image on hover. When enabled, the product image will switch to the second image when customers hover over the card. This is great for showing alternate product views. Next, let's move to Content Settings. These options control how information is displayed inside each product card. First is Style. You can choose between Standard and Card. The Standard style displays product information directly on the page background. The Card style places the product information inside a separate card container with its own background. When Card style is selected, you'll also see the card color scheme option. This allows you to choose which color scheme is used for the card background and text. Next is Alignment. You can align the content to the left, center, or right, depending on your store's design preference. Then you can enable Show Product Vendor. This displays the brand or vendor name above the product title. You can also enable Show Product Type, which displays the product category. These options help provide additional product information directly within the product grid. Now let's customize product badges. Badges highlight important product information like new, popular, on sale, or sold out. First is Layout. You can arrange badges either vertically or horizontally. Next, enable Show Custom Badges. This allows badges created through product tags to appear on product cards. To learn how to create and manage custom badges, check the resources linked in the description below. You can also enable Show Sold Out Badge to clearly indicate unavailable products. Finally, enable Show Sale Badge to highlight discounted items. You can also choose how the sale badge displays discount information. Options include text, percentage discount, or fixed amount saved. These badge options help draw attention to promotions and product status. Next are swatch settings. Swatches allow customers to preview color or pattern variants directly from the product card. First, enable Show Swatches to display available variant colors below the product information, allowing customers to quickly see the available variant options. Next, you can also enable Show Variant Images, which replaces color swatches with miniature images of each variant. If a variant does not have an assigned image, Pebble will automatically fall back to the swatch image defined in the Shopify color meta field, if available. Otherwise, the color value, HEX or RGB, defined in the meta field. This ensures that every swatch always has a visible representation. To learn how to set up color swatches using category meta fields, check the Shopify help article using category meta fields linked in the video description. Next, choose the swatch shape, either circle or square. Then adjust the swatch width to control the size of each swatch. Finally, set the maximum items to show. This limits how many swatches are displayed directly on the product card. For example, if a product has 3 colors and the limit is set to 2, customers will see 2 swatches and a +1 indicator. This helps keep product cards clean and easy to browse. Now let's look at product card actions. First, enable Show Quick Add. This adds an Add to Cart or Choose Options button directly on the product card. For single variant products, customers can add items to the cart immediately. For multivariant products, a quick view pop-up will appear so customers can select a variant. Note that the Quick Add button will not appear for sold-out products. Next, you can enable Show Quick Add on mobile to bring this functionality to smaller screens. Then choose the Quick Add style. You can display the button as text only or text with an icon. You can also choose which icon style to use. Finally, select the Quick Add color scheme, which controls the button's background, text color, and hover style. Pebble also includes a Quick View feature. Enable Show Quick View to display a magnifying glass icon when hovering over a product image. When clicked, it opens a Quick View pop-up so customers can preview product details without leaving the page. You can also enable Show Quick View on mobile for mobile shoppers. To learn how to customize the Quick View experience, check the documentation link in the video description. Once everything is set up, click Save and preview your store. Your product cards will now display optimized images, badges, swatches, and quick actions, helping customers explore products faster and shop more easily. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize product cards in the Pebble theme. These settings allow you to control how products appear across your store, making browsing smoother and more engaging for your customers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Pebble tutorial.